Hey folks, Jimmy here. You know, over the last couple of weeks, a lot of y'all folks have been asking me, is it true that these Sistine stone shower kits by American Bath Factory are easy to install? I want to show you that they really are. I'll install one in 5 minutes. It's probably going to take you a little bit longer. You know, you want to start out by making sure that your foundation and everything that you're building from is square, level, and plumb. That's really important because these kits are manufactured to fit perfectly. Let's start also, I'm going to rough out a little place here because we're going to put in one of our shampoo shelves. And also the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to rough in or set in that shower pan. Make sure that it's dry fit and that it's level and square. Then you're going to want to hook up the drain and silicone that down in place. Next thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to put up a visqueen or a vapor barrier. That's going to make sure that if any water seeps through your cement board, it drips right back into the shower pan. And then cut out the openings. That's really important. And then let's start hanging up that cement board. That's going to be screwed right on to the studs. You start in the middle and you work your way around. Screw on one at a time. It's only going to take a few sheets. This is a 36 by 60 shower, so it's not that big. Then you cut out the niche back there with an angle grinder. That'll make that pretty simple. And then you just keep putting them up. So let's get all of this cement board up and let's start building us a shower. So first thing, we got that up. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to caulk that really good with some 100% RTV silicone. That's going to make sure that nothing seeps through those corners and down there around the bottom edge. Then we're going to put on our thresholds. In this installation, we're putting a glass panel on the left and a door on the right. So you'll see there's a groove there in the bottom of that threshold. That one's going on the left. Then we're going to put up the casings. Those also need to be plumb, so they're straight up and down. That casing on the left also has a groove in it because that's where the glass panel is going to go. Then let's put the casings up on the right. There's 3 of them on each side. They just get siliconed right onto that cement board. Really simple. Now we're going to start working in the back with our adhesive, our RTV silicone. We're going to make us some little round circles. Those may act as suction cups and they'll hold those panels up really nice and firm until it dries. We'll put up our Sistine stone panels, again started in the back, working our way around. The one on the right you see go up, the one on the left. Then we're going to put up our liners. If your shower has a liner, these will go up next. They're 6-inch strips. This one here, we're going to cut out a little hole on the right for our shower fixture as we do that. And then again, work our way up with the panels. You see how easy this is? Again, the circles in the silicone. Then using that same angle grinder, we'll cut out the place where we're going to put in that shampoo shelf. Really simple, one step at a time. You know, if you did everything plumb and square, you probably won't need to trim these panels. But if your walls are off a little bit, you may have to trim them. Put up the shampoo shelf again with that silicone. And now let's put in our accessories. We'll put in a bench in this case, we'll put in some shelves and of course our soap dish. Now we're going to caulk all that all the way around. In this installation, because it's a mosaic tile shower kit, we're also going to grout it. So this one we're going to caulk all of those joints, grout in the middle, make it really nice and clean and pretty, and we're set. This is one beautiful shower. Now we put in our fixtures, and then we're going to put in our glass panels. We just put a bead of silicone in those grooves there, and that's all it's going to take, and slide that in place, let that dry. That's going to be beautiful. The door hangs really easy. You're going to need to drill a 1/4-inch hole down there, put it up, put the panel in there, screw the top in, and it will be literally the easiest door you have ever hung. Look how beautiful that is. You know, again, I did it in less than 5 minutes, but what a great weekend project. If you want, you could match the tile on the floor. I want to do it a little different. I want it a little richer, so I'm going to put in a really nice wood floor in this installation. And you'll see, as we start to clean this up and as it all starts to come together, we're going to use that same Sistine stone for the wainscoting around the outside to just kind of tie it all together. Rich brown. And then as we start to add all these pieces, I just want to let you know that it really is simple. It really is a project that you can do yourself and save thousands of dollars. This bathroom right here, $15,000 or $20,000 if you had to do it from scratch. In this installation, it's a whole bunch cheaper. and I know you can do it. So again, this is Jimmy, American Bath Factory, and we just want you to see you can do it yourself. Have a great day. We appreciate you. See you soon.